Hey guys, welcome back to a tech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can hide conversation in Google Chat. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the right application and open it. Next, select the conversation you want to hide. Next, click on this shown place. Here you will see these many options from which you have to choose hide conversation. Now your conversation is hidden. So this is how you hide conversation in Google Chat. I hope you all get this. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.